Bicol University.
Every school has gifted students. In this school, they only belong to one society. And this society has its own history. As the premier state university in the Bicol region that vows to pursue unity and greater educational excellence, the 7th University President, Dr. Fay Lea Patria M. Lauraya, established the Order of the Blue Feather Society. Having been inaugurated on March 3, 2011, the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society was founded as the official and only honor society of the Bicol University. The organization is likewise a recognized university-based organization of the university, annually accredited by the Office of the Student Affairs and Services. The first investiture was held on December 16, 2010 at the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Arceli Hall, and was participated by the top scholars and achievers from the different colleges and campuses of Bicol University. The ceremony formally recognized the members of the Blue Feather Society, which is considered to be the honor society of Bicol University and promoters of academic excellence in their respective departments and colleges. It is of the BFS primordial concern to be an instrument promoting high scholastic standards of the university in response to the university's pursuit for excellence, thus leading to the promotion of BU's 4 pillars of education, namely scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Furthermore, it is also the BFS duty to promote unity and solidarity with its academic and non-academic affairs as one true student body, working for the realization of the aspirations of its members as it develops goodwill within the university and with other institutions as well. After the retirement of Dr. Fay Patria Lauraya, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas as the new president of Bicol University was also inaugurated as the 2nd Grand Chancellor of the Order of the Blue Feather Society during the 5th investiture ceremony. Daniel Ros Baldoza, the interim and the first elected president, Chancellor of the Honor Society, made the initial design of the society's logo and gave its meaning. The unconventional shape of the logo was inspired by the traditional shape of the coat of arms being used in Europe. The logo is divided into 4 quadrants. The upper 2 quadrants exhibit the 4 pillars of Bicol University: scholarship, service, character, and leadership, which the members should at all time uphold. The lower left quadrant bears a torch, wreath, key, and a book. The torch symbolizes the flame for learning and excellence. The wreath symbolizes glory and victory. The key symbolizes the way to success and knowledge. And the book symbolizes academic freedom and brilliance. The lower right quadrant bears 15 stars representing the 14 academic colleges and units of Bicol University, and a star for those non-BUenos who will qualify to be members of the Honor Society. Dividing the upper and lower quadrants is a scroll which bears two important years in Roman numerals. On the left side is the Roman numeral for 1969, Bicol University's founding year. On the right side is the Roman numeral for 2010, Blue Feather Society's founding year. Dividing the left and the right quadrants is a big blue feather, the very identity of the society, taken from its name, Blue Feather Society. The blue colors of two different intensities symbolizes Bicol University, the home of scholars in Bicol region. In 2013, the stars from the initial design were removed. The torch and wreath were transferred to the right in place of the stars. The numbers of leaves took the representation of the 14 academic units of Bicol University and the non-BUenos that can be subjected to membership by the society. The society's mantra, the Latin maxim, Non solum ingeniae, verum etiam virtuitis, puts emphasis to the society's members that the members of the Honor Society invested in any degree are not only persons of intellect, but virtuous in character. In its pursuit for continuous improvement, the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society seeks to upgrade the quality and standards of Bicol University students and adopt essential measures to foster educational concerns in the various fields of specializations in the university.
The royal blue degree of membership are for those scholars who consistently manifested exemplary scholarship, commendable leadership, and virtuous character through obtaining a distinction as academic scholar or academic scholar of the university belonging to the top 10 of the respective college or units or college he or she belongs for the previous academic year with strong recommendation from the dean or director in which he or she belongs in the academic unit. Members under the Royal Blue Degree of Membership will receive a society pin, the certificate of membership to signify the membership he or she initiated. Always remember, not only the intellect, but also the character.
Why would a nobody like me bother to even try?
How do you know you're nobody?
Welcome to Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society 10th Virtual Investiture Ceremony with a theme, The Legacy of Excellence, a decade of growing leaders of tomorrow. Before we formally start our program, let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord.
Dear Father, quieten our minds, still our hearts, for your living ways are all we seek. Strengthen our lives, inspire our spirits. In your living waters flow endless grace. I pray today that I will yield my spirit completely to you. I pray that you will provide me opportunities to show people how much you mean to me. Give me discretion to know what to say and how to say it. Make me bold enough that I may proclaim salvation cheerfully and joyfully. I pray that the seeds you allow me to plant will grow and mature. I am forever grateful for the cross. May I proclaim it in a contagious way today. Amen.
And now, let us have the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, anak ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyad ka ng magiging, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisili. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mabaga, may nilagang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal. Pag-islap ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingig. Ang bituin na taraw niya, kailan pa mali magdidilim. Lupa ng harangan, bakit pagsinta mo'y langit sa piling mo? Aming ligaya na pamay mga pirang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Today, as we give due recognition to exemplary individuals who bring honor and pride to our beloved institution, let us welcome our ever-dynamic Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosen, for her message.
Good day. Today is a wonderful day to celebrate the 10th investiture ceremonies of the Order of the Blue Feather Society. I celebrate with you this wonderful moment. Although it's pandemic, however, we are given this opportunity to join with you in your success of becoming a part of the investiture ceremonies of the Order of the Blue Feather Society. To our beloved President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, our beloved Vice Presidents in the Bicol University, our Deans and Directors, all the officials of Bicol University, our successful members of the Order of the Blue Feather Society, and the awardees of the investiture ceremonies today. I am so grateful to join with each one of you in this activity. And although it is pandemic time, there is always a way for us to celebrate. We thank the technologies that are presently available to us to make way for this celebration despite the no face-to-face policy that is being given to us in the university. We hope that as you move along with your journey in this life, you will always remember that the experiences that you gain while you are students of the Bicol University are the ones that you will treasure in the future. These are the things that will shape you to become a better person in the future. For our beloved students who are awardees today, we believe in your capacity. We believe that you can make a difference in the future and you can become the future leaders of our community and our country. And therefore, as you take part in all the activities and all the affairs here in Bicol University, please remember that you do not just do it for the purpose of enriching yourself, but you are doing this for a greater purpose, that someday, when you get to learn how to become an awardee, how to become a leader, when you graduate in Bicol University, you will become a person who can effect changes in the community where you are. So the Order of the Blue Feather Society is a wonderful training ground for leadership, scholarship, service, as well as character. So guided by these 4 pillars of education in the Bicol University, we hope and we pray that you will shape your future with the best that will become for you tomorrow. So our beloved students, as the Vice President for Academic Affairs, I say my warmest congratulations to all of you. And I pray that you will be able to learn how to overcome challenges. And as you do, I know that it will make you to become a better person. So my warmest congratulations and thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Dorosen, for that wonderful message. Indeed, Bicol University has been an effective instrument in shaping us into change agents vital for social transformation and development. At this juncture, let us welcome the father of our beloved university and our very own Grand Chancellor, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, for a message of inspiration.
To our dear honorees, awardees, dear parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to everyone. Not only the intellect, but also the character. This is the mark of the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society. We need it now more than ever, particularly with the challenges of the pandemic that we are still experiencing. It is in the challenges that one's character is tested. It is in facing the changes that one's true character is revealed. But the truth is, most of the time, we only focus on excellence by means of intellectual strength, as if only the mind can determine one's destiny. By putting premium on character, your society, the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather, has shown its proper priority. The 10th investiture today, in these pandemic times, is a significant event in honoring those who have shown not simply intellectual strength, but more so the strength of character, especially the will to continuously persevere against the many sacrifices you all have to undergo because of the new normal way of learning. To have reached this far means you have built a resilient character capable of facing even greater challenges. This investiture, then, is a powerful reminder that some traditions are worth keeping, some are even worth fighting for. Any tradition that honors character is a tradition worth preserving. As each of the honorees today are conferred with the highest form of accolade from Bicol University, let us never forget that what we carry is not simply a symbol, but a mark of excellence in the very best tradition of the Bicol University core values, that is, character, leadership, scholarship, and service, the 4 pillars of Bicol University. It is indeed true that to live and rely on intelligence alone is futile, but to demand that character be instantly changed or made is even more foolish. Character building is a lifetime work and a continuing progress of becoming the person we're truly meant to be. Today, ladies and gentlemen, awardees and honorees, as you become integrated into the Order of the Blue Feather Society, let us never fail to remember that you will be now a living symbol of the Bicol University. Let this day be the beginning of a more fruitful path as you continue to evolve towards becoming change agents and catalysts for social transformation and development. Congratulations!
Thank you, Dr. Mascareñas, for acknowledging our awardees' efforts in pursuit of continuous excellence. There you have it, awardees. From this day forward, as what our Grand Chancellor has said, you are all living legends of our beloved institution. Take this recognition as a reminder of all the small and big steps you have taken to embody the 4 pillars of Bicol University: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. The Royal Blue Degree of Membership is awarded to scholars who consistently manifested exemplary scholarship, commendable leadership, and virtuous character through obtaining a distinction as honorific academic scholar or academic scholar of the university, belonging on the top 10 students of each respective college or units for the previous academic year, with a strong commendation from the dean or director of academic unit he or she belongs. Members under the Royal Blue Degree will receive a society pin and certificate of membership to signify the membership and the degree he or she initiated. Citation reads: Republic of the Philippines, Region 5, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, the official honor society of Bicol University, Legazpi City, Albay. Awards this certificate of membership to, as recognition for her distinguished achievements in academics that attest to the principles of the society and the core values of Bicol University: scholarship, leadership, character, and service, and now confers upon her the Royal Blue Degree of Membership. Signed this 12th day of February 2021 during the 10th Investiture ceremony. Signed, Sidney Joseph L. Tarenueva, 10th Chancellor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society. Angelica M. Madrinian, RSW, MPM, Advisor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, University Scholarship and Financial Grants in Aid Officer. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, PhD, Grand Chancellor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, SUC, President 4. The Royal Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to College of Science. Abejuela Jun Cesar B., BS Biology 3. Ariel Micah V., BS Biology 3. Balaoro Leonard B., BS Biology 3. Belardo Jonathan B., BS Biology 3. Canyo Edimari M., BS Biology 3. Cedo Cedric Franklin V., BS Biology 3. Lee Alicia Therese M., BS Biology 3. Nunez Tangerine L., BS Biology 3. Taklas Catherine Denise M., BS Computer Science 3. Yubal Paul Marshall V., BS Biology 3. College of Nursing. Adra Alisa Merle L., BS Nursing 3. Balanon Daryl Faith I., BS Nursing 3. Barion Marie Angelica B., BS Nursing 3. Baldosa Francesca Marie C., BS Nursing 3. Binyas IVA, BS Nursing 3. Bon Erica Ruth B., BS Nursing 3. Federis Faye Domini P., BS Nursing 3. Fuentes Shala Denise P., BS Nursing 3. Manalaw Norhana T., BS Nursing 3. Manikbas Yvette A., BS Nursing 3. College of Arts and Letters. Abelica Mark Kevin L., AB Broadcasting 3. Bernal John Marco B., AB Broadcasting 3. Lanyog John Michael M., AB Journalism 3. Madriaga Yonel Christian A., AB Broadcasting 3. Mar Maria Ella O., AB Communication 3. Moral Jamel P., AB Communication 3. Nerick Elakim G., AB Journalism 3. Pitaliano Diane E., AB Journalism 3. Raiko Angelique L., AB Communication 3. Salvador Jane Dill M., AB Communication 3. College of Education. Ascutia Joanne G., BS Mathematics 3. Bonador Josette O., BS Ed Social Studies 3. Dinero Marifer V., BS Ed Social Studies 3. España Andrea E., BS Ed Social Studies 3. Francia Lenny P., BS Ed Social Studies 3. Maraño Sarah L., BS Ed Mathematics 3. Nator Jan Felix M., BS Ed Social Studies 3. Oxiano Rosary Manaog E., BS Ed Social Studies 3. Remendado Nathaniel O., BS Ed Social Studies 3. Ravello Ira V. Marinel M., BS Ed Social Studies 3. College of Industrial Technology. Balilan Judy B., BTV, TED, GFG 3. Cerilio Raymond John S., BSELT 3. Cruz Ronime T., BTV, TED, FSM 3. Dama Felice John Gerald Orr, BTV, TED, GFD 3. Gonzaga Laika L., BSFT 3. Makayan Harry Stanley S., BTV, TED, FSM 3. Manzanillo John Rhea L., BTV, TED, FSM 3. Rivera Paul John B., BTV, TED, GFD 3. Sanglai John Derek P., BSFT 3. Venus Giselle B., BTV, TED, GFD. College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Binyas Lauren Joy V., AB Political Science 3. Domitita Christian V., AB Sociology 3. Frivaldo Ferry Lou Orr, AB Political Science 3. Harilia Jazz Daphne F., AB Sociology 3. Latagan Patricia Rene R., AB Political Science 3. Locinario Floren Veer S., AB Peace Studies 3. Pagao Stephen James P., AB Political Science 3. Reyes Gerald B., AB Political Science 3. Samson Paulo Isidro M., AB Sociology 3. Verches Juan Rafael R., AB Sociology 3. Vibar John Paul A., AB Political Science 3. College of Business, Economics and Management. Advincula Charlotte N., BS Accountancy 3. Carrizo Bethany Jane I., BS Accountancy. Cedinho Michael Hans, BS Accountancy 3. Lerida Alisa P., BSBA, Major in Financial Management 3. Martinez Celine B., BSBA, Major in Financial Management 3. Matadios Kenneth, BSBA, Major in Microfinance 3. Medjavillo Yumar Nico G., BSBA, Major in Operations Management 3. Perocho Crisel G., BSBA, Major in Microfinance 3. Pispis Arvin Johan M., BS Accountancy. Rances Ashley Marie J., BS Accountancy 3. College of Agriculture and Forestry. Abanyo Kurt Joffrey C., BSF 3. Almodial Nadine V., BSF 3. Aicardo Alan B., BS ABE 3. Daito Ginth Dominic, BS Agri 3. Gonzalez Kenji P., BSA 3. Lila Christine E., BS ABE 3. Naag Rosel O., BTV, TED, ACP 3. Papa KN, BS ABE 3. Robles Carrie Alexandrian R, BTV TED ACP 3, Toledo Angelica May T, BSF 3, Gubat Campus, Cubilia Raymark E, BS Entrepreneurship 3, Divina Gracia Charisse F, BS Ed Social Studies 3, Enrico Joven S, PAT 3, Escariaga Glenda May C, BS Ed Filipino 3, Gonzalez Iris Christine F, BS Ed Social Studies 3, Grulia Rachel B, BS Entrepreneurship 3, Hermo Abigail F, BS Social Studies 3, Moina Marie Angelica C, BS Ed Social Studies 3, Nacional Erica L, BS Entrepreneurship 3, Santa Ana Sherilyn E, BS Ed Filipino 3, Institute of Architecture, Ativo Gian Paula J, BS Architecture 3, Corja Chelsea Nicole H, BS Architecture 3, Prades Daniel Angela L, BS Architecture 3, Kisto Christian Ray D, BS Architecture 3, Razon Micaela Francesca S, BS Architecture 3, Polangi Campus, Buaro Catherine S, BS Ed English, Mendoza Eloisa E, BS Entrepreneurship 3, Pomoceno Roname R, BS Entrepreneurship 3, Rapoy Apple B, BS Entrepreneurship 3, Tabaco Campus, Balance Carl Anthony R, BS Ed Science 3, Balderrama Ira B, BSSW 3, Belga Ira May N, BSSW 3, Bognabal Johnny May B, BSSW 3, Bolaños Baby Camille P, BS Ed Science 3, Borlaza Sammy A, BSSW 3, Canosa Racine C, BS Ed Science 3. The Distinguished Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is awarded to those scholars who are active members and officers of the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society who have served the Society in an outstanding manner. Distinguished members have been nominated and have had this membership category funded by the Society, and have had this status recommended by the officers and appointed, approved, and conferred by the University President. They will receive a Society crest and Society sash to signify the membership and the degree he/she initiated. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Region 5, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, the official honor society of Bicol University, Legazpi City, Albay, awards this Certificate of Commendation to, in recognition for her outstanding service, laudable contributions to the Honor Society, for the consistent exemplary performance in academics, which is a testament to the principles of the Society and the core values of Bicol University: scholarship, leadership, character, and service, and now confers upon her, the Distinguished Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership. Signed, this 12th day of February 2021, during the 10th Investiture Ceremony. Signed, Sidney Joseph L. Tarenueva, 10th Chancellor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society. Angelica M. Madrinian, RSW, MPM, Advisor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, University Scholarship and Financial Grants in Aid Officer. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, PhD, Grand Chancellor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, SUC, President 4. The Distinguished Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Carl Joseph P. Abuid, Bicol University Institute of Architecture, Batch 2020, Year Invested, AY 2017 to 2018. Positions held: Secretary General, AY 2018-2019, and Vice Chancellor of Internal Affairs, AY 2019-2020. Cecil Ann S. Dalanon, RM, RN. Year invested: 2017-2018. Cum laude, Bicol University College of Nursing, Batch 2019, 9th placer, with an average of 85.80%. Philippine Nursing Licensure Examination 2019. Shanamay B. Goyena, Bicol University Institute of Architecture, Batch 2020. Year invested: AY 2017-2018. Positions held: Chapter President, Institute of Architecture, AY 2017-2018. 9th Chancellor, AY 2018-2019, and Vice Chancellor of External Affairs, AY 2019-2020. The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is awarded to those persons who are non-members who have achieved eminence in some academic, creative, intellectual, or other career endeavor and show exemplary scholarship, commendable leadership, virtuous character, and laudable service to the community he/she is serving, and recommended for this status by the officers, and approved and conferred by the university president. Honorary members will receive a society sash and society medallion to signify the membership and the degree he or she initiated. Citation reads: Republic of the Philippines, Region 5, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society. The official honor society of Bicol University, Legazpi City, Albay, awards this certificate of commendation to, in recognition for her exemplary achievements in academics, commendable leadership, virtuous character, laudable charity service to the community he/she is serving, that conform to the principles of the society and the core values of Bicol University: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Now confers upon him/her the Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership. Signed this 12th day of February 2021 during the 10th Investiture Ceremony. Signed, Sidney Joseph L. Tarenueva, 10th Chancellor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society. Angelica M. Madrinian, RSW, MPM, Advisor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, University Scholarship and Financial Grants in, Aid Officer. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, PhD, Grand Chancellor, Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society, SUC, President 4. The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Attorney May Dayan M. Azores, CPA, 2019 Bar Examination Top 1, 91.05%. Cum laude, BS Accountancy, Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management, Batch 2013.
Thank you so much to the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society for this recognition. One thing I learned as a BUeño is that in anything you do, you should always pursue excellence no matter the adversities. You should make excellence as a way of life. When others choose to settle with mediocrity, you should continue growing in your path with much passion and commitment. When others choose to tread the easy path, you should take that leap of faith towards the long and arduous path of success. It is not easy, but it will be worth it. With propensity for excellence, you can achieve anything you put your heart and mind into. Again, thank you so much, And together, let us change the world with our excellence.
The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata, PhD, Vice President for Administration and Finance.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am deeply humbled and honored to have been selected as one of the honorees in today's awarding ceremony. I take pride in the fact that a prestigious organization like yours has taken time and made effort to honor professionals who may have made a distinctive mark in their field of specialization. I should admit that this award came as a pleasant surprise. Without false modesty, I feel that others are just as deserving. However, you may have your reasons for choosing me based on a definite set of criteria. It is in this light that I want to express my sincerest gratitude to all the people who, in one way or another, contributed to making this awarding ceremony possible. Friends, if this award stands for anything, it stands for something that is a product of hard work, dedication, and determination tested over time. And my acceptance of this award would not be complete without me sharing some beautiful thoughts with you today. As a professional, I just took every opportunity that came my way, despite the inherent difficulty that needed to be overcome and the sacrifice that must be made. I believe the qualities that brought me here today were gained in the days of my youth and are sustained up to this very day. These qualities include the demonstration of potential and the capacity to grow under challenging circumstances. Most certainly, the award that you are giving me today will inspire me even more to do things within my capacity to make a little difference in my place of work. For sure, this award will rekindle my spirit to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Friends, a professional inventor once said, "In the middle of every difficulty lies an opportunity. Once discovered, such opportunities are like valuable diamonds hidden in the sand." Put simply, we should make the most of every opportunity that comes our way. Do not worry about awards. They will come naturally. And if awards come, they are just icing on the cake. What is important is the cake itself, which is the product of years of hard work, sacrifice, and determination. Thank you very much.
The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Jean Margaret L. Goulburn, Founder, Natasha Goulburn Foundation.
Hi! Last Friday, I was terribly excited to get a call from Benji Nebres, and he said that I would be awarded a very special award by President Noli Mascarenhas. Thank you, Noli, for having done some service to the community. I would like to thank the Official Honor Society of Bicol University for giving me the honorary award of the Order of the Blue Feather Society. Thank you very, very much. Maugmahon tabi ako na nadangog ko na may award pala ko. Ito ang first award ko from Bicol. It is indeed very historical that Bicol University was my first partner in the advocacy of suicide prevention through the teaching of emotional resilience, and other therapies. And we were indeed very honored that President Noli Mascarenhas opened the university for a fantastic 5-day campus caravan. So the 3 years and 5 months that Bicol University had zero suicide is groundbreaking, and it will make news as I report to the International Association of Suicide Prevention that we have achieved an impact and a great success. And we are indeed, the foundation, Natasha Goborn Foundation Mind Strong, is indeed very, very grateful, not only for this award, but my heart is with you that we can continue this partnership for a long, long time as you march on in the new normal, giving love, compassion, and a lot of understanding to the youth. We thank you, the board, we thank you, everyone, and President Mascarenhas for giving us this fantastic opportunity and privilege. Thank you.
The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Luis Domingo B. Mendoza, MD, MHA, Dean, BU College of Medicine.
I'm overwhelmed by what has happened for the past months. Like in December, I received an email notifying me that I was nominated as one of the members of the Order of the Blue Feather Society. So it was surprising, and even up to now as I speak, I don't even know why I'm here. But anyway, it's both a great honor and an exclusive privilege to be accepted in this honor society, the Order of the Blue Feather Society of the Bicol University. Maybe I've done something good because they nominated me for it. But be that as it may, I would like to state the fact that I have subscribed to the principles for which this honor society stands for, like unity and the pursuit of excellence, promoting the 4 pillars of this university, which is scholarship, service, leadership, and character. I had been with the Bicol College of Medicine for the past 7 years. And essentially, we also espouse the same principles in educating our future doctors. We call it the 5-star physician. The 5 being a clinician, a manager or leader, a health educator or teacher, a researcher, and a community mobilizer. So we try our best or do our best so that our students will have all these traits and qualities. And to my mind, the most important thing is if you preach, you have to live it. Kidding aside, maybe I can consider myself a 5-star physician after 37 years of life in work. For the first 20 years, I had been a clinician, specifically a surgeon. Second, after my stint as a clinician, I went to public health as a community mobilizer for the next 10 years. And third, now I find myself as educator in the academy and doing research too. And in all this sojourn, I had been a manager or a leader. I have been the chief resident of the Department of Surgery during my training. I had been a chief of hospital for 2 hospitals here in Albay. During my public health sojourn, I had been the provincial health officer of the province of Albay. And now I find myself as the dean of the College of Medicine of Bicol University, a manager and a leader. So, to my mind, I think these are the traits and the qualities that I could share, not only to our students in the Bicol University College of Medicine, but also to the Honor Society. I would like to thank first President Arnulfo Mascarenhas for accepting me as a member. Secondly, I would like to thank Claire Garcia, the Secretary General of the Order of the Blue Feather Society, including the officers. Jave and Claire is here with me, and all the members. Third, I would like to thank Dr. Benjamin Nebres for everything. Fourth, of course, I would like to thank the Bicol University College of Medicine family, the faculty, the admin, including the student body. Fifth, I would like to thank my family. It's maybe because of them that I am what I am. And the last, I would like to thank the Almighty for after all these 63 years on this earth, I still praise or glorify God every Sunday as the choir master of the praise choir at Legazpi City Parish, St. Raphael Parish, and giving goodwill to men. Again, it's both a great honor and an exclusive privilege to be accepted in this incredible order of the Blue Feather Society. Thank you.
The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, EDD, Dean, Office of Student Affairs and Services, Outstanding Campus Student Advisor of the Philippines 2014, Outstanding Cross-Cultural Educator of the Philippines 2016, Outstanding PASUC Advisor 2018.
To the University President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascarenhas, to the Vice Presidents, to our academic deans and directors, to my fellow faculty, and to our dear students, and fellow honorees, Diyos marahay na aldaw sa Indogabos. Since the inception of this Order of the Blue Feather Society in 2010, and one of the thinkers in the founding of its ideals, I am not expecting to be one of the honorees. This is a surprise to me. Let us be reminded of society's ideals, aspera ad astra, in English, reach for the stars. As an individual, we should always think of who we are in the future and be prolific and fulfilled. One, especially living in the core values of Bicol University, leadership, scholarship, service, and character. Let us be productive in our nation building and be part of its progress and development. Let us be an individual who is a proactive and resilient in the strong surge of change in life of our society. Let us be a blue feather that is blown in the tides and times of changes with distinction. Let us be a proud BUNyo. My sincerest gratitude to the university and the society. Diyos mabalos sa Indogabos.
The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Architect Stephen Dominic R. Rabe, BU Institute of Architecture Batch 2017, Third Placer 2018 Architecture Licensure Examination, 83.90%.
Good morning to each and everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the people behind this event and the people behind my nomination for this very prestigious award. Since all of you here are very intelligent persons, I would like to give a gentle reminders to each and every one of you. So I have 4 gentle reminders. Number 1 is to stay your feet on the ground. Number 2 is to remember all the basics. Number 3 is to enhance your street intelligence. And number 4, and the most important, is to know that it is always the character that moves people. Thank you everyone, and God bless.
The Honorary Immaculate Blue Degree of Membership is hereby awarded to Ivan Ian S. Baria, Chairperson and Student Regent, AY 2019-2020, Bicol University Ambassador of Goodwill for Internationalization, 2018-2019.
To the University President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, to the Vice Presidents, Administrators, Deans and Directors, Teaching and Non-Teaching Staff, and to all the students of different colleges and institutes of Bicol University, a blessed morning to everyone. As I'm about to finish my usual routine, I decided to stop for a while and think of what I have to say for this momentous event. Various thoughts filled my mind. Who wouldn't be as delighted and humbled as I am? Indeed, this is a moment that needs to be cherished and savored until the end. Today, we honor the top scholars and achievers from different colleges and campuses of Bicol University. These are the students who are considered to be part of the honor society of the institution and the promoters of academic excellence in their respective departments and colleges. All of you were chosen for your demonstrated support and promotion of academic excellence, and everyone exemplified character and personality above and beyond your expected responsibilities. Undoubtedly, the principles which this society was very founded were epitomized in every torch-bringer, and that is you, the students of Bicol University. I firmly believe that you have found a haven for learning in this institution. Part and parcel of our academic successes can be anchored to its 4 pillars. While you are still here in Bicol University, seize all opportunities that would surely lead you to a productive path. Moreover, now that I have to leave Bicol University to create my own status, I will never forget how it molded me in all aspects of life. The legacy of Bicol University shall linger in each of us. Despite all the challenges we have been facing, we definitely continue to accept the reality and strive in accordance to what our Creator wants us to be. However, let us not forget those students who are in difficult situations. Let us join hands and make them feel that we understand them and we are more than ready to extend their support. Thus, we continue to show compassion. After all, a sincere and humble deed would never be forgotten. It is indelibly etched in someone's heart. I am oozing with joy to receive this award and be part of the society that upholds the pillars of the university. I know that we are in the same boat. Certainly, gratefulness is evident in everyone's heart. With all humility, we remain to be of service, not even thinking of what we can gain, but what we can impart to our fellow BUNyos and the community as well. Let us all remember that tough times never last, but tough people do. Our greatest glory is in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Once again, accept my warmest felicitations to the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society. God bless us all.
Congratulations for accomplishing yet another milestone in your journey towards excellence. To officially commence your membership in the society, kindly take this oath to order. I state your name. With the state the degree initiated. Degree of membership. solemnly swear to promote the high scholastic standards of Bicol University and live the university's vision of excellence, leading to the promotion of the 4 pillars of education: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Thus, I will uphold the ideals and objectives of Bicol University, Order of the Blue Feather Society. I will sustain my actions that will lead to excellence and innovation in serving my community and the nation as a whole. So help me God. Congratulations! You are now full-fledged members of the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society. Non solum ingeniae verum etiam virtutis. Not only the intellect, but also the character. Last December 2020, the chosen exemplary scholars of Bicol University found their way to an assembly of intellect, excellence, and character. The said virtual scholars assembly was attended by over 85 participants through Zoom teleconferencing. The former 5th Chancellor, Professor January Marillas de Chavez, graced the scholars with her appearance and delivered very inspiring opening remarks for both the new and old members of the society. The society's history, constitution and bylaws, accomplishments and financial report were tackled in the assembly. The new set of officers for school year 2020-2021 was also elected and was facilitated through the online interactive presentation software Mentimeter. Having said that, let us welcome the newly elected Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society officers for their oath of office.
I, Christine Iliiyak, of the College of Agriculture and Forestry, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Chelsea Nicole H. Cordia, of the Institute of Architecture, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Rose Lovely Birasin of the College of Industrial Technology, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Iris Christine F. Gonzalez of the Gubat Campus, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Soros V. Calais of the College of Education, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Alisa Padilla Lerida of the College of Business Economics and Management, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Trishikil F. Rivaldo of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Selena Bubilas Gata of the College of Arts and Letters, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Jerson G. Fontelar of the College of Science, having been elected for the position of Chapter President.
I, Claire Ann Lou Arlumbez of the Bicol University College of Nursing, having been elected for the position of Public Relations Officer.
I, Geraldine Ocayo of the College of Science, having been elected for the position of Business Manager.
I, Alan Barcelo Ricardo of the College of Agriculture and Forestry, having been elected for the position of Auditor.
I, John Dominic Emendes of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, having been elected for the position of Deputy Finance Officer.
I, Jasper Fortuno Pahantoy of the Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, having been elected for the position of Finance Officer.
I, Maria Angela B. Barrion of the College of Nursing, having been elected for the position of Deputy Secretary General.
I, Mary Claire R. Garcia of the College of Nursing, having been elected for the position of Secretary General.
I, Riri Hamadi of the College of Nursing, having been elected for the position of Vice Chancellor for External Affairs.
I, Jave Andre M. Lativio of the College of Nursing, having been elected for the position of Vice Chancellor for Internal Affairs.
I, Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, having been elected for the position of Chancellor.
Hereby solemnly swear that I will efficiently and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, that I will support the Constitution of the organization and the principles declared therein, that I will obey the rules promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the organization and that of the university, that I will impose obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that I will serve the order of the Blue Feather Society and uphold the Bicol University 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. So help me God. And there you have it, the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society's very first virtual investiture ceremony. Thank you, and have a nice day. This event is made possible by the 10th Interim Officers and Advisors of the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society. Chancellor Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva. Vice Chancellor for Internal Affairs Jasper F. Pahantoy. Vice Chancellor for External Affairs Rio G. Hamadi. Secretary General Claire Ann Lu R. Lumbes. Deputy Secretary General Mary Claire R. Garcia. Finance Officer Dan Lester M. Llorente. Auditor Pauline N. Banyares. Business Manager Jerson G. Fontallar. Public Information Officer Charles V. Calais. Chapter Presidents: College of Arts and Letters Cristal Joy A. Dalanon. College of Social Science and Philosophy John Dominic M. Medes. College of Nursing Jave Andre M. Lativio. College of Science Nino R. Mape. Institute of Architecture Harem Belleza. College of Education John Roderick P. Pedro. Christine Espinosa Laila. College of Agriculture and Forestry. College of Industrial Technology Rose Lovely B. Rosin. Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, MSc. Director, Institutional Student Program and Services Division Angelica M. Madrinian, RSW, MPM. Advisor, Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society, University Scholarship and Financial Grants in Aid Officer, Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, EDD. Dean, Office of Student Affairs and Services, Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, PhD, Grand Chancellor, Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society, SUC President for Bicol University, Ronald Rebutica, Cinematographer.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, sea of truth and light. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom.